In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for the first time. You don't need to install anything. You simply need to have your phone number, and email address. You'll be able to use your normal internet browser, be it Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other. Of course, you are going to need to have internet to do this. Simply type openai.com in the internet browser. OpenAI as in artificial intelligence. On most browsers, you'll have to type openai.com and press enter thereafter. The system will open up the OpenAI website. On the website, look at the top of the screen for the phrase introducing ChatGPT research release, followed by the word try. We are interested in the word try, that's what we're going to use. So we click on the word try. After clicking on the word try, the system will start checking our browser, and it will give us information to that effect to stand by. Depending on the internet connection, more information and more comments might show up. Patiently watch and wait. When the system brings up a small box like that saying verify that you are human, just click on that box. That will be verification enough that you are human, and the system will continue checking the browser. Then it will bring you to welcome to GPT screen. There you have two options. You can log in if you have ever used ChatGPT before. If you have not, if this is the first time you are using ChatGPT, you need to click on sign up. We are going to click on sign up so that we can open or create a new account. So the create account screen comes up. In this screen, we have an input box where we are supposed to type our email address. So I type in my email address, simatovu2020@gmail.com. After typing the address, I click on continue. And the system will bring up another input box for the password. At this stage, you need to create a password. It should be strong enough with both numbers and small letters and big letters. And it should be 8 characters or more. 8 characters or more, and secure enough. After typing in the password, just click on continue. And the system will continue checking the browser and verifying certain information. Once that message comes that verify you are human with a small box, just click in the small box to tick it, and the verification will continue. And more checking of the browser will also continue. Once that verify you are human box comes up again, don't get upset. Just simply click on that box, and then the system will continue checking the browser. At this stage, it has sent an email to your email to verify, with a link to verify. So you need to go to your email at this stage. You go to your email, look for an email from OpenAI with the subject OpenAI verify your email. Click on it to open the email. In the email itself, look out for a link, a white link with a green background with the words verify email address. Simply click on that link, verify email address. The screen comes up saying tell us about you. Enter the first name followed by the last name, and make sure you have looked at the terms and you are 18 years or older. After that, you click on continue to confirm that. The system will ask you to verify your phone number. To put up the country flag together with the code. You are supposed to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you're supposed to click on send code. An SMS will be sent to your phone with the code. Read the SMS, remove the number or the code and type it in this input box. The system will verify some information. The verification will continue. If everything is okay, the system will start generating the normal ChatGPT user interface. Congratulations! At this point, you are ready to start using ChatGPT. If ChatGPT Plus is available in your country, you'll get a message to that effect. Simply click on Close. Look at the ChatGPT examples. Look at the capabilities and limitations. At this point, you are ready to fire questions. You type the questions in the input box below the limitations and capabilities, and then click on the icon at the end of the box. ChatGPT will do some bit of thinking in quotes for some few seconds. After that, it will start generating the response to your question or the answer to your question. At any point, you can tell it to stop by clicking on Stop Generating above the input box. Or if you think you need an alternative answer, you can click on Regenerate Response so that ChatGPT can give you an alternative response. Or you can continue asking more questions, some connected to the previous or later the previous, or even newer questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. To watch more similar videos in future, please subscribe to superCoolclues YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. Remember, subscription is absolutely free.